This is the elevator at the Camelot Apartments in North Oakland, Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. This is an old Otis block button from the 1960s. Case Fire Nice elevators. Deluxe and block buttons. Oh, there it is. It's about to hold you in if that didn't work. Delayed start, Otis. Once they're closed, fast. Basement. Interior go down. Indicators on the light fixture. Common old Otis design here at the basement. Mostly from the 50s on highways and stalls. Up to 6. Here you go. Smaller block button. Looks almost like Bakelite, but it doesn't press that good. There is a switch for the fan, but it doesn't work. So, oh well, we're stuck with the fan on. But that's okay. Yeah, it's actually in the middle in the off position, but it's on. There's 6. Definitely sounds broken. Go back down to 1. I like how the door closes and pushes button. Newer stop switch. Certificate and the emergency key and the superintendent. Case Fire Nice elevators. There's your emergency light, which does work. It's a bit loose. Just your basic old Otis cab. Next time go back at 1. So, in case of emergency, Otis. This is not going to be it.